is this summoning like your followers? Are you summoning Gandalf? What are we doing here?
Greetings, Earthlings!
Oh, so this is the call.
Target did me dirty!
I do not, Liza Minnelli. We do not believe you.
Target did me dirty. I made 2 orders. They came in 12 packages.
So what we're saying is we are ready to see the boxes. So
Yes.
please bring them forward.
Please hold for batch 1. But wait, there's more.
What in the shenan...
Please hold.
There cannot be any... Oh, Lord.
And here's the worst part. I can tell by some of the weight of some of these boxes.
They're
they
going to
only
have
put
nothing in them.
one thing in them.
And we would just like to say, though, if you live near us, please go buy some of this Colonial Kelly's Concord juice. It is
Arsenal cider.
It is like Welch's grape juice, but better.
So,
Oh, dear Lord.
we have a pile, and this is the target pile.
That shows you.
Some of these are pre-orders, but Target, even if you pre-order something, and you pre-order 2 things and they come out on the same day, they don't ship them together. And also, some of these things in here are Gregory Christmas presents, so you might see me go and open in a box and go, Greg can't see this, and then run away.
This is all the packages? There's no more?
There are more, but they are Target, and this is just Target did me dirty.
Oh, yes. So please come back for another haul video.
See, so
All right, where are we starting?
we're gonna start at the top. Cause you wanna be on.
By the way, I have a package.
I have a package, I have a package, I have a package, yes I do, woo! Alright, so this was a pre-order from Tajay. This is,
Oh, it's Pops!
this is the collector's pack of the Marvel Infinity Saga
Itty
Bitty Pops. So there are
12.
12 in here, there are no hidden ones. This is only a Target, and I think there's like a stand for them too in here, but
I'm gonna guess that it's the Avengers Tower.
maybe, or this is just a box. I don't know.
Next!
No one asked you. So we're going on to the next box.
Be gentle with Lucy.
She did just lose her sister. Yes, for everybody's reference, we did just put my dog down, Millie.
I don't want to talk about it.
I don't either, but we only have one pupper who will be barking in the background going forward.
Even though she's the more dramatic one.
Yes.
But I love you.
All right, see, this was the other pre-order. These both were released on the same day, but they didn't ship them together.
Ooh,
These
it's
are the
Star
Star Wars.
Oh, this looks like A New Hope.
Yes, these are the Star Wars Bitty
This
Pops.
is episode 4. Yes, I can tell by the characters
I
because
think so, yes.
because there's Greedo.
Yes. So we are on to the next box.
Another box.
Which this one, I think it might be one that Greg can't see this, but let me open it up and double check. Because Gregory's Christmas presents have all been arriving. Yeah, Greg can't see that. Greg can't see that.
Next.
Next. So we are on to the big box, which I hope there's more than one thing in here, but it's really light. And there is only one stupid thing in this box. Okay, it's not stupid, it's actually really cute. But it's still one thing in a giant box.
It better be a big thing in there, because if you pull... Oh, I know what this is, actually. I can tell by the size, yep.
Yes, so this is the Disney Doorables. This is the...
Multi-Peak from Series 12.
Ultimate Mega Peak for the Pixel Perfect Series 12. So there are 30 figures in here.
Yes, but more importantly, there are these ones that are exclusive
Yes,
to it, so
these
you
are
will
all-
see...
These are the exclusive ones to this set, and then the rest of them you can get anything
Which, more
else from the
importantly,
collection.
they've included the other 2 gargoyles from Hunchback.
Yes, that's the reason I got this, was because I
Still
wanted the
waiting
Guardians.
on Quasimodo. Oh, there's a Lilo as well.
Yes.
Why? Odd. Okay.
I don't have a Lilo, so that's fine with me.
Oh, that's right, because she only came out...
Yep. So,
Oop.
on to the next box. This one is a book.
I was gonna say, that's a book.
This was a pre-order.
Book.
This one is the final book in my Bridgerton book collection that I was
Oh, how beautiful.
Yes. So that's going there. Eat. And this box is actually a bit more weighted. still probably... Oh, no, it's actually relatively filled to the top. Okay, hold on. Greg can't see part of this. He's covering his face with a towel. So this is the part that you can see. Greg, take the towel off. Okay.
Ooh, a wealth of murder.
Yes, so this is one of the hunter-killer mysteries.
We like these ones.
Yeah, although for one whole game, for a full hour, I literally just kept trying to convince Greg that the guy who died was actually dead.
Listen, I give them good ideas. They could have someone pretend to be dead and not dead, and then it would be a great game.
He's silly. All right, second to last box. I think
Well, that
Greg
is
can
the
see-
last box.
I think Greg can see almost everything in here.
I love how you go almost.
I think.
Ooh, I see something at the top.
We have the Disney Doorables Mandalorian. These are the, what are they called?
These are the movie moments.
The movie, no, they're not the movie moments. They're called
They're
widescreen
stacked-
moments.
Okay, and you can either get the child or farewell. There's no ultra rare, even though it says that there is there.
Then we have in here murder mystery party case files, so we can have a party for murder.
And we all love a good murder.
We have in here, this is the episode 4.
Oh, A New Hope.
Yes.
So two options
And-
there.
Yes, 2 options there. Shoot, I might need to get more of these then. And then
One's
this
an ultra,
one-
one's a common.
And then this one is episode 1.
And episode 1,
Yes.
which
and
is
then
an ultra or a rare.
in here we have,
The final. Oh, a murder at the talent show.
yes, a murder at the talent show.
Well, I guess they weren't talented.
Correct. And then finally in here we have what I'm wearing to a Halloween party, which I purchased
Oh!
because it's actually a regular outfit. And I was like, why wear a cheapo costume when I can
Buy an
something
outfit.
that's actually wearable? Please hold.
Did you get it?
I got it. So first in here we have from Beetlejuice
Don't say it
the blazer that Astrid wears in the movie, and it's like a terry cloth jacket, so it'll
Well, that
be good
is
depending
very
on whether
nice.
Is it cute? It's cute, isn't it?
Yes.
And I got it oversized because I thought that would be cuter. Then in here we have the t-shirt that goes with it.
Because comfy.
Correct. And here is what is on the t-shirt. See? So it has the name of her school on it. And then finally, we have in here the skirt, because it's got shorts underneath. And look at how cute that is.
Oh, look at the roaches on the side.
Yes. And so this is going to be my little Halloween costume.
You got a lot.
I got a lot, yes.
Target did do you a little dirty, though.
Target did do me dirty because this was all 2 purchases.
And yet she claims to be the environmentalist in the family.
I try, but companies don't respect me.
It's fine. Anything you'd like to say to Target?
Target, I love you, but you gotta do better on your packaging.
So,
Just like Amazon.
what's your favorite thing you got? Yeah, I expect that to be opened within the next.
Yeah, I literally got a
3
notification that this was back in stock. Oh, this was a separate purchase because I got a notification it was back in stock
And needed it.
and immediately purchased it right then and there.
All
So-
right. Anything to say to your lovely followers?
Goodbye, Earthlings! We are happy that you have joined us today for this unboxing of Target Has Done Me Dirty.
I think this will be a new series, unfortunately.
Of X Company Has Done Me Dirty.
Yes!
Yes. We hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we hope you come again soon to watch us open the things that we are going to open. Now, could Gregory and I at some point live stream us doing a murder mystery box?
The murderer.
Maybe. Gregory and I are pondering opening a channel to live stream on.
Let us know.
Yes, so if you want us to live stream, let us know in the comments below.
Goodbye!
Bye, everyone.